Connecting the past to the present and the present to the future. That's what's happening at Studebaker National Museum, why they also connect and inspire the community and enthusiasts all around the world. Good morning, Kyle, and welcome to Hometown Living.
Morning, Kim. Thanks for having me.
So I'm excited because there's going to be a talk at the Studebaker Museum about the South Bend Toy Company.
That's right.
So tell us a little bit about what you know about the South Bend Toy Company.
Oh, I mean, there's so much to know. I mean, it was a staple of the community for many, many years, as many of your viewers know, for over 100 years. And a lot of folks have family that worked there. I mean, they started all the way back in the 1800s, right? Making croquet mallets. And so we want to share that history. We have our speaker, Aaron Hellman, who's a local author and podcaster, coming on to share the history of South Bend Toy. So.
I love that. So it's a personal story for me. So I brought a baby buggy, actually, that was made at South Bend Toy, that my little sister had. But my parents actually met at South Bend Toy and got married.
Okay.
And then at their wedding, there was a group of people that were there that actually worked at South Bend Toy. So it was a staple in our community for a long time.
Oh, of course. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we had an exhibit this past winter where we shared some of these pieces, and it's just a really neat story, and we're excited to share that with the public. So,
and I don't know that a lot of people understand the history and where it started, and then when it left here, where it went, and so it continues just in a different area. So I'm grateful for our community to learn more about that.
Of course, yeah, we're excited.
But the museum has a lot going on right now. So.
A lot going on, busy time of year for us.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about the upcoming events.
So we have a big event next Friday evening, April 25th. This is Bootleggers Bash. So it's a 21 and over event, but we're really excited to kind of celebrate the Roaring 20s. So tickets are still on sale now, so make sure you get those. They're $30 general admission, then we have a VIP option for $100, and that includes, open bar and all that kind of good stuff.
What is a Bootleggers Bash?
So this is a really fun, we're partnering with the History Museum, and there'll be dancing, live music. Of course, it's the jazz age, got to have that. All the galleries open. We're partnering with Journeyman Distillery, who our Michiana friends know, and so we're just really excited to kind of have a good time. So again, 21 and over event next Friday night. So
and you've got more exhibits that are coming up this next year too.
We do, yeah. There's always something new to see. We have a brand new exhibit opening on May 9th called Tune In. So that's looking at cars and popular music. So that's kind of a fun topic to explore. Yeah, we're just keep going with new stuff all the time. So
what does it mean for you? Like the Studebaker was such a big part of our community. To keep that alive so that people don't forget what built this community, what does it mean for you to be a part of that?
It's a great question. I mean, it's something that I take really personally, right? Because history is made up of people and stories and families, and so we have deep roots here in the community, right? And so being able to share those stories with people, I think, is really important and a big part of my job. And again, bringing out new stories and showing objects, vehicles, all these great things that Studebaker did, again, is just really neat. And so, of course, if you haven't been in a while or have been many times, please come by. Again, there's always something new going on.
So somebody who'd never been to the Studebaker Museum, what would they expect when they walked in?
Well, I mean, you're going to see a lot of wagons and cars, but yeah, I mean, it's a really neat space. We have 3 floors. I mean, there's over 100 vehicles on display and items, from other South Bend industries like South Bend Toy. And so there's really something for everybody. It's not just for car guys, right? I mean, it really is for families, for young adults, whoever wants to come and really just kind of learn something new. So.
And you can spend a couple of hours there and just kind of wander around and see like everything that's there.
At least, yeah. And one thing I'm really excited about right now is many of your viewers probably know we have the Muppet car from the Muppet movie in our exhibit. It's being restored right now at a shop down in North Carolina. We're very excited to have it back here at the museum this summer. If you're not familiar with the Muppet car, go watch the Muppet movie. It's one of the more famous Studebakers. So yeah, that'll be really exciting. So.
I love that, like I said, that it's there just to kind of keep it alive. I love it that I don't know who started that or who made the idea to actually bring this to make sure that we just stay connected. I love what you say, to connect it to the past.
Yeah, and yeah, I mean, we're the keepers of that Studebaker legacy. I mean, it's been a while, right, since Studebaker closed in 1963 here in South Bend, but again, there's still so many stories to tell. So,
yeah, I love it. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for what you're doing to keep the past alive. If you would like to check out the Studebaker National Museum out for yourself, just head over to studebakermuseum.org and don't forget to follow them on social media.